जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today here Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about nature of death, and this is Abhang number serial 64, and here he is telling, once death comes, then we can't hide, it will find out us. Yes, because we are trying full lifetime to avoid death. No one want to die, but we can't stop also. How much we can try, but once it's came, no one can stop that one. Like one cat is there. Once that cat saw the rat, then that rat, wherever that rat will hide, there that cat will go. Sometime that cat will hide for some time, but once come out from that place, that rat, definitely that cat will catch rat, and that cat will eat that rat. So same thing here Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling, one day will come in everyone life, that is called expiry date, and once we take birth on this earth, that day only that counting have started, like minus counting, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So same thing regarding our life also. We are thinking we are growing up, but we are going towards death. So what do we have to do? Why he is telling like this? Because we have to come to know value of this physical body. We have to know value of this life. If we didn't consider this value, then we just means doing time pass with this life, and one day will die. But if you use this time for something, doing Atma Chintana or something, know ourselves or this spirituality, then we will not get fear. So that is telling in second sentence. No one can break nature rule, not only human being but God also. Yes, so if you want to become a fearless, so come to know rule of the nature, because it's a changeable, everything is changing in this world. So what is today, we can see, wow, so beautiful, next year or next after some few moments it will be fully changed, it will maybe it will be damaged. So, and this rule not only for the human being, for this universe this rule is going on. So everything is means creation, sometime it will good and after that it will destroy. So this, and God also not make changes in this rule. This same rule is for everything, means everyone must have to follow. Intelligent or uneducated, rich or poor, good or bad, everyone will die one day. Yes, that death will not ask how much you have money, how much you have property. It will do his duty. So that death will not ask, if you are the poor, then I will forgive you. No, or I will show kindness. No, that death will accept everyone. So here no matter rich, poor, intelligent, uneducated, good or bad, no, everyone is going to that day. Only difference is, if we come to know ourselves, that spirituality which is undestroyable, so no need to worry about death. And this is Sant Sadhu Mahatma have told us, be fearless, and this is a human being body goal. Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj told us, if we come to know spirituality, then only we will become a fearless. Yes, again and again he telling same thing, because look, 5 Panch Mahabhuta, their space, no fear, because that space is uncountable, and it's from long ago, it's still here, and coming so many years it will be here. So there is no fear for the space, no fear for the earth, because fire will burn everything, but who will burn the fire? No one can burn the fire. Same thing, water is there, that water will destroy everything, but who will destroy the water? No one can, because it's the ultimate thing, because they have their own nature. So same thing, we are also have that authority. God given that much power to us to know how is our nature. Once we come to know that our originality, so no one can break us, no one can burn us, no one can kill us, because that only in Gita my Paramatma, Sri Krishna Paramatma have told to Arjuna, don't worry Arjuna, you are something different from this body, that Atma Swarupa you must have to know, because no one can kill that Atma Swarupa, and that is the goal of human being life. Ganeshnath, 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 Ganeshnath. बोला पुंडलिक वरदेहरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय, संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.